The motherboard is probably the easiest component to mount in the case. Positioning the case on its back will help in installing the motherboard and avoid the potential for dropping the motherboard if the case is upright. Line up the I/O shield with the opening in the back of the case. Make sure that the center standoff clicks into place. Preset the screws in each of the 8 motherboard holes. This will avoid dropping screws into the case. Tighten each one snug, but do not over tighten the screws. The next video in the series is installing the hard drive in the case.